everyone, and welcome to In the Cosmos for the De Anza College Planetarium. My name is Toshi Komatsu, and I'm your host and the director of the planetarium. Now, the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn are in opposition, but what does that mean, and where can you find them? Well, let's find out. Here we are looking at the western skies here. It's July 15th. It's 1 hour before sunset. You can see the sun right over here. And we're going to go ahead and let that sun set. We'll skip ahead to about 9:30 p.m. local daylight time. And you can see the sun setting over towards the north of west. And once we get to 9:30, it's nice and dark. This is close enough. It's nice and dark. All the brightest stars are out. And in particular, if you're looking due west, you can find, for the last time for the season here, a constellation known as Leo the Lion here. And you can see he's taken sort of a dive towards the horizon, chasing after the sun. So look carefully in the west just after sunset if you want to find Leo, because it'll be your last chance before it disappears for the season. But you've just seen the sunset here, and what I would like to turn your attention to is if you go in the opposite part of the sky, you'll find a couple of planets just rising. So we're going to pan our view now over to the southeast, where we can see a couple of planets here. We've got Jupiter and Saturn visible right over here, and I'm going to center in on Saturn. Both of these planets are in the constellation, technically, of of Sagittarius, the Centaur, and also known as the Archer. So you can see a centaur there with his archer's bow. And the two of these planets here, again, in opposition. Now, technically, that's a single moment when a planet is directly opposite the sun in the sky. This means that as the sun sets over in the west, an opposition planet is rising in the eastern part of the sky and is visible all night long here. So if we skip ahead, you can see them rising in the sky here. Now, Jupiter just hit opposition on July 14th, and Saturn is in opposition on July 20th. And the pair will grace our skies in a celestial waltz through the end of the year. So you can see here it's 2 in the morning now here in our view, and we'll go just a little bit further to see that as they're getting ready to set, the sky starts to get a little bit brighter as we are looking now just before dawn on the 16th. Well, that's it for this edition of In the Cosmos. So hopefully you enjoyed that and learned a little something. If you did enjoy it, if you could do us a big favor and like, subscribe, and share the video, we would really appreciate it. Be sure to click on the bell icon to get a notification every time we post a new video. You can find out more about the planetarium and more astronomical goodness on our website and on all of our social media. We're available on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can find those links in the description below. Until next time, thank you for checking in with. This is the De Anza College Planetarium, wishing you clear, dark skies, and for now, signing off.